In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to restrict WordPress site access. You can restrict access to your WordPress site to prevent users from viewing or accessing your WP files. To do this, first you need to install and activate the Prevent Direct Access plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. If you notice, you can see the Prevent Direct Access icon on your dashboard. Go to the icon, then click on Settings. First, set the file access permissions. From here, you can access the protected files through the file URLs. And you can customize the No Access page from here. By default, it's set to an Error 404 page. Then click on Save Changes. Now let's go to the Media Library. And I'll protect an image. So just click here to configure file protection. Then click here to protect this file. And now this file is protected. And only the admin users can view this file. So if I copy this URL and open it in a new tab, I'm redirected to a 404 page. That's because I'm logged out of the site. But if I open this link in a normal tab, then I can view this image, because I'm logged in with the admin account. This is how you can restrict WordPress site access. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.